Are you the type who springs out of bed at dawn, energized and ready to go, or do you come alive as the sun sets, finding your groove when others are winding down? These two groups, early risers and night owls, often view each other with curiosity, even confusion. But this isn't just about habit, it's rooted in biology. We call these tendencies chronotypes. Society has long favored the larks, but is waking up early really the key to health and success? Or can night owls thrive on their own schedule? In this video, we'll dive into the science behind these lifestyles, explore how your internal clock affects fitness, and ask, is one truly better than the other, or is it all about working with your natural rhythm? Let's find out. What makes someone a lark or an owl? It's all about your chronotype, your body's internal clock or circadian rhythm. This clock is set by the suprachiasmatic nucleus in your brain, which controls hormones like melatonin and cortisol. For larks, melatonin rises and falls early, making them alert in the morning. For owls, this shift happens later, so they peak in the evening. It's not laziness or willpower, it's biology, and largely genetic. You can adjust your schedule, but your natural tendency remains, much like being right or left-handed. Chronotype affects more than sleep. It influences when you're sharpest, when you perform best physically, and even when you get hungry. Understanding your chronotype can help you plan your day for maximum energy and productivity. The key is to work with your body, not against it. Your internal clock shapes your daily experience. Embrace it. For early risers, fitness often starts before sunrise. While most of the world is still asleep, these dedicated individuals are already lacing up their shoes, stepping out into the cool, quiet air, and embracing the promise of a new day. The quiet, cool morning is their golden hour. There's a special kind of peace that comes with being up before the city stirs, a sense of having the world to yourself, where every breath feels fresh and every step feels intentional. Morning workouts offer consistency, no late meetings or fatigue to get in the way. With fewer distractions, it's easier to stick to a routine, making progress more predictable and sustainable over time. Exercising early boosts metabolism and reinforces your circadian rhythm with sunlight exposure. The natural light signals your body to wake up, helping you feel more alert and energized throughout the day. Many larks enjoy empty gyms, peaceful runs, or gentle yoga to start the day, focused and calm. The solitude of the morning allows for reflection, mindfulness, and a sense of control before the day's demands begin. The sense of accomplishment from finishing a workout before breakfast can fuel confidence all day. It's a powerful feeling to know you've already achieved something meaningful before most people have even started their day. But there are challenges. Waking up refreshed means committing to an early bedtime, which can limit social life and make late-night plans tricky. Sometimes the sacrifice is missing out on evening gatherings or winding down, while others are just getting started. And with lower body temperature in the morning, a thorough warm-up is essential to prevent injury. Taking time to stretch and gradually increase intensity helps prepare muscles and joints for activity. The early bird's path is about routine, discipline, and making the most of the morning's quiet power. It's a lifestyle that rewards consistency, self-motivation, and the ability to find joy in the stillness of dawn. For larks, fitness is a sunrise ritual, energizing, centering, and done before the world wakes up. It's a daily practice that sets a positive tone, providing clarity and energy for whatever lies ahead, but it's not the only way. For every early bird, there's a night owl finding their own rhythm after dark. Night owls hit their stride as the day winds down, finding energy and motivation when the world grows quiet and the city lights begin to glow. For many, the evening hours offer a unique sense of freedom, a time when the demands of the day fade away and focus shifts inward. For them, evening is when energy peaks and workouts feel strongest. The air is cooler, the streets are less crowded, and every movement feels more intentional. It's a chance to reclaim the day, to push limits, and set new goals under the stars. Research shows physical performance, strength, flexibility, endurance, often peaks in late afternoon or evening. Muscles are warmer, reaction times are faster, and the body is primed for action. This natural rhythm can make evening workouts more effective and enjoyable for many. Night owls may lift heavier, run faster, and feel more focused at night. The quiet of the evening can sharpen concentration, turning each session into a personal best. The gym is quieter, the city lights are on, and workouts become a way to unwind and de-stress. Options abound: moonlit runs, late-night swims, or even a peaceful walk through the neighborhood. The world feels different at night, and so does your workout. Or maybe it's a home hit session powered by your favorite playlist, letting music and movement melt away the stress of the day. Nighttime routines can be as social or as solitary as you like, tailored to your mood and needs. The main challenge? Exercising too close to bedtime can disrupt sleep, so timing is key. It's important to listen to your body and find the sweet spot that lets you train hard, but still wind down for restful sleep. Many owls finish workouts at least 90 minutes before bed and favor strength training or stretching to wind down. Gentle movement and mindful breathing help transition from high energy to relaxation, setting the stage for a good night's rest. For night owls, fitness is a release, a way to channel energy and creativity when it feels most natural. Evening exercise can spark inspiration, boost mood, and provide a sense of accomplishment that carries into the next day. Their routine is about embracing their rhythm, not fighting it. By honoring their natural tendencies, night owls turn late hours into a time of growth and self-care. The night owl's path is just as valid and just as healthy as any early risers. Under the stars, fitness becomes a celebration of individuality and the power of finding your own perfect time to move. Let's dig deeper into how your internal clock works. Your chronotype is set by the brain's master clock, the SCN, which responds to light signals from your eyes. Light suppresses melatonin during the day, darkness triggers its release at night, making you sleepy. Larks' clocks shift early, owls much later. The SCN also coordinates peripheral clocks in organs and tissues, syncing metabolism and repair. Disrupting your schedule, like staying up late or traveling, creates circadian misalignment, leading to jet lag and fatigue. Larks fit well in a 9-to-5 world, but owls often face social jet lag, forced to wake before their bodies are ready. This misalignment can have real health consequences. Research has long suggested larks are healthier, with night owls facing higher risks for metabolic issues and mood disorders, but much of this is due to social jet lag, owls forced into early schedules, disrupting sleep and hormones. When night owls align their routines with their natural rhythm, sleeping and waking late, many health differences disappear. The real problem isn't being an owl, but being an owl in a lark's world. Consistency and alignment matter more than the hour on the clock. A well-rested owl is healthier than a sleep-deprived lark. The healthiest routine is one that honors your biology and provides enough quality sleep. It's not about being early or late. It's about being in sync with yourself. Let's bring this to life with two clear examples, Lark Laura and Owl Oscar. These two represent the classic early bird and night owl, and their routines are shaped by their internal clocks in fascinating ways. Laura's energy surges early. Her cortisol, the hormone that helps us wake up, rises before dawn, preparing her for the day ahead. She loves to exercise at sunrise, taking advantage of her natural high energy and alertness in the early hours. Her productivity peaks in the morning, when her mind is sharpest, and her focus is at its best. She tackles her most important tasks before noon. Laura winds down early, heading to bed before most people. She consistently gets 8 hours of restful sleep, perfectly in sync with her body's needs. Oscar, on the other hand, is just getting started when Laura is winding down. His energy peaks much later. His cortisol rises mid-morning, so he feels sluggish early on. Oscar's most productive hours are in the afternoon and evening, when his creativity and problem-solving skills are at their highest. He prefers to work out at night, when his body feels strongest and he can release the stress of the day. When Oscar follows his natural rhythm, staying up late and sleeping in a bit, he feels energized, focused, and healthy, just like Laura. In fact, when both Laura and Oscar stick to their ideal schedules, they're equally healthy, happy, and productive. But if Oscar is forced to wake up early and follow Laura's routine, he struggles. He feels groggy in the morning, and his performance drops. His energy, mood, and sleep quality all suffer. His circadian alignment score takes a hit, and he's not at his best. Research shows that both larks and owls thrive when their daily routines match their biological clocks. It's not about being an early riser or a night owl, it's about alignment. For Laura, morning runs boost her metabolism, improve her mood, and set a positive tone for the day. For Oscar, evening workouts help him build more strength, reduce stress, and sleep better at night. The real secret is timing, choosing the right activities at the right times for your unique body clock. not just following the crowd. When you align your routine with your chronotype, you unlock real, measurable benefits, better energy, improved mood, and greater overall health. The real problem isn't whether you're a lark or an owl. It's ignoring your natural rhythm and forcing yourself into a schedule that doesn't fit. So, listen to your body, align your routine, and you'll see and feel the difference every single day. The science is clear. There's no single best way to live or work out. You don't have to be a 5 a.m. warrior to be healthy. True wellness comes from listening to your body and building a routine that fits your natural rhythm. Early risers, embrace your mornings, protect your bedtime, and use your alignment with the workday to your advantage. Night owls, let go of guilt, schedule demanding tasks and workouts for your peak hours, and minimize social jet lag when possible. The healthiest person isn't the earliest riser, but the one with the most consistent restorative routine. Whether you sleep at 10 p.m. or 2 a.m., aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Whether you exercise at dawn or dusk, move regularly in a way you enjoy. Health is about harmony with your own clock, not someone else's. So, how do you find what works for you? Become a scientist of your own body. Try a 1-week challenge, shift your workout or sleep time, and see how you feel. Keep a simple journal, track your energy, mood, and sleep. The best advice is the one that fits your life, not a generic rule. At Ask FitTech, we help you use science and technology to discover your personal best. Whether you're a lark, an owl, or in between, we have tips and insights to help you thrive. Share your chronotype and favorite workout time in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. For more personalized tips, remember to ask FitTech.